every time I went outside, I saw pieces of metal roofs flying around, fences. It was just nuts, man. I mean, nothing like I've ever experienced.
For hurricanes to form and to intensify, warm water is an important ingredient. And Gulf of Mexico this year is warmer than the normal conditions. Scientists have found that the overall tropical cyclone frequencies may decrease in the future, but the frequency of very intense hurricanes, like hurricane category 4 and 5, would increase under a warmer future climate.